Stratasys has announced the closing of a $15 million investment into Axial3D, a leader in medical segmentation and 3D printing. The two companies plan to launch a joint offering that will provide patient-specific 3D printing solutions to hospitals and medical device manufacturers. The Axial3D AI-powered algorithms allow healthcare providers to segment CT and MRI scans without significant investments in time or large upfront costs. The Stratasys J850 digital anatomy 3D printer enables medical customers to create models that accurately represent the appearance of human tissue that are also biomechanically realistic while suturing, cutting, or inserting and deploying medical devices. Stratasys says that personalized 3D printed anatomic models are currently used for pre-surgical planning and diagnostic use to improve patient outcomes while shortening time spent in the operating room. Dr. Yovziev, CEO of Stratasys, stated, "Many of the world's leading hospitals are already benefiting from our MediJet and digital anatomy 3D printers for medical models. We believe that by working together with Axial3D, we can remove the barriers to entry for the remaining majority of hospitals in many countries around the world." Stratasys is leading the global shift to additive manufacturing with innovative 3D printing solutions for industries such as aerospace, automotive, consumer products, and healthcare. Shares of Stratasys trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol SSYS. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.